What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman with Paramount Property Investments. About a single family property on the west side of Akron. My partners and I just locked up this property a couple of days ago. It's a cash offer, so we'll be closing in a few weeks on this. Just wanted to drop in, let you know what we're doing, what we're up to. So, this property's in not that bad of shape at all. The backyard needs a lot of attention, needs cleaned up, a lot of junk back there, so we need some landscaping done. As you can see, there's a deck out back that needs some attention. But overall, solid house, be a great rental. So for anybody in the Stark and Summit County area who's thinking about selling a house, we're definitely looking to buy. We can pay cash, we can close in 30 days or less. We don't charge any real estate commission fees, and we can possibly even pay your closing costs. So your closing costs will be any type of title fees. You're gonna have title fees whether or not you use a realtor or not. It's the title company who's gonna be handling the paperwork, handling the funds, doing a title search, making sure that there's no liens or encumbrances on the property. So we can pay that for you as well. So if you have any questions about what those title fees might look like, definitely give me a call, 330-685-2220, or you can visit the website. Also, we just had our Stark and Summit County Real Estate Seminar yesterday. It was a great turnout. It was a great success. We just covered various topics such as how to establish, fix, and rebuild your overall credit score, how you can buy and sell in today's market, and how to invest. So it was a great turnout. We're gonna try to have those seminars at least once a month for the rest of the year. It's free to the public, so definitely stay tuned. If you want to stay up to date as to what we got going on, definitely just stay on our website, stay on our social media. We're always announcing what we got going on. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Talk to you later.